Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make balls or spheres for granulation like this. Now, granulation has been around forever. It dates back to Etruscan times and it's done primarily in gold. It's actually gold spheres that are fused to a golden surface. But you can fake it and do it in silver, why not? So I'm going to show you how to make consistently even shaped, round, spherical silver balls so that you can put them onto your fake granulation and accent some of your jewelry projects. Now what you're going to need is some soft charcoal where the surface starts out nice and smooth. You're also going to need a torch of some type. You're going to be working under ventilation. And in addition to this, you're going to need some flux, a flux brush, your silver wire, and the tool that was made in a previous video for cutting wires of the appropriate length or the same length to turn into these small spheres, and a pair of diagonal cutters to cut with. All right, so let's talk about the use of the tool first. The tool has various holes in it that will allow you the opportunity to just drop your wire into a hole and clip at the very top, and you get a wire of a certain length. Now I've cut many of these wires already and made a little group of them right there. But you can see I have all kinds of holes in here so I could have different sizes of spheres. Now to make these spheres actually spherical and not flat on the bottom, I need to manipulate the charcoal block. Now remember, I'm working with a soft charcoal, not a hardened, compressed charcoal block. This charcoal tends to ignite faster and burn very easily, so you may have to resurface it quite often, and there's a video on that. All right, I'm taking the end of my flux brush, which is kind of cupped and rounded, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it firmly into the top of the charcoal blocks. Now you can hear it crunch a little bit as it goes in. There we go. Now when you do this, be sure that you leave ample room between the little divots so that the silver, as it melts, isn't encouraged to like roll into the other one and make an even bigger sphere. Okay, now I've got all of the little divots made, and that means that as the silver melts and starts to curl into itself and make that sphere with its surface tension and material memory, it will actually settle into a curved bottom, which will help it to stay round all the way and not flatten out on the bottom. Okay, so I have several pieces of wire, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in my hand, and I'm going to paint them with a little bit of flux and drop them directly over the little divots one at a time. And like I said, I would leave some room just because you don't want them to merge together and make a bigger ball that you can't really use. Okay. Now while I'm doing this, I would encourage you guys, if you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to the OJA channel. Just hit the little button in the lower right corner of your screen. And if you get a chance, be sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I do my best to try to tweet some interesting things from time to time. All right, let's do a few more here. It's better to make more than you think you're going to need because, let me tell you, one of them will roll off and you'll lose it, or it won't turn out right. So make more than you need. Okay, I'll light the torch and get started melting. Now you notice I'm using the tongs to try to bring them back to the divot if they didn't roll in naturally. There. So now all of these are melted into little round spheres, and what I can do is I can begin to start to break them out of the charcoal and cool them before I start to work with them. Now you will have to pickle these before you start to apply them to your work, but you can see right here that I've got, whoops, he wants to roll away, there he is, perfectly round little silver spheres. And these are going to be great to accent your jewelry work. I hope this tip helps you make some decorative spheres. You can learn how to apply them in our next video. If you like this video and all the other OJA videos, we could use your support. Just click on the lowercase I in the upper right-hand corner, and a menu of related videos will drop down. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on My Face, and a new window will appear. That will allow you to leave whatever level of support you want. You can leave $1, $5, or $1 million. Whatever you do, be sure to click on the blue letters that say leave a comment and be recognized. That way we know who to thank. Next, hit the next button and leave your credit card information. We appreciate all the support of our viewers, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now. Thanks for watching.